and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we putting together that Pan America. I got a few things done to the CVO. I got the bags for it, the stretch bags. I just have to have the CVO painted on them. I got to run them over to Joe's. And then I do have the rear fascia uh, hooked up on the bike with some pipes I bought. I ain't totally happy with them, but I got them. And then waiting on my PM rims. They'll be in another month and a half or so. They was 2 to 3 months out when I first ordered them. So anyway, sit back, enjoy. This is me putting together the Pan America bike, and it's a lot of little parts I'm putting on it, bags and all. So sit back, relax, eat some popcorn, check it out. Hello, YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel, PJ Ground Pounder. Today we're gonna tackle this Pan America. So I'll be doing everything myself on this operation. We'll be putting on the panniers, which is the bags. We got knee guards going here. Got my engine cover over there. I'm taking off the little one, chintzy one they have here, put that on. That's what comes on the CVO. Pad comes on there. Got these here. This goes in the back axle. It has 2 rubber pieces on it. It's fall protection when your bike does fall. So you got that one there for the back, this one for the front. Slides through the axles. We'll be putting them on. We got some more lights for the back. This will be attached to the license plate. So we'll have that. Again, like I said, this is the kickstand here. Some guard supposed to keep me from falling in the mud or whatever. The bags, as you can see. And then we'll put these jokers on. That's the back part of it. But let's see what else here. And then we have, like I said, the cover here for the engine guard. Goes over here, it comes down here. And so we're gonna get after it, y'all. We're going to start ripping all these packages open. We'll start off by putting the railing on here for the side bags. Then we'll take care of the situation with the top bag. This is just a turn of the key here. This pops up, seat comes off, registration, all the goodies. So I'll be taking off this stuff here, and it's pretty much what we're gonna do. Should be a pretty smooth operation. So let's get started. All that time, I finally got through that package, got one of them out. Got this one here, then this cross bracket here that when they both go on, then this goes across the back. But let me unpack this next one, then we'll start putting them on the bike. See you in a minute. telling me, y'all. It's right here. Right here. For that offset, or I probably might have to go up to there. We'll figure it out, but this lets me know right here I got action. Okay, I'm videoing this part because I think I figured it out. It was a couple of combinations and I kept hitting the wrong combination. Let's see if I got the right one now. Okay, I got them on. This one here is a little problem, with a slight adjustment. I might have to do something. See that play? So that tells me that that latch over there on that side of the bag got that much play. That's how much play is in between that thing not latching and latching. All right, y'all. Make sure the seat go back on at least, huh? All this going on. Let me see if my seat still works. Oh, yeah. So I got it all put back together. Everything's good. So panniers on, looking good, coming along. We're gonna have a CVO special in a minute. So now we're gonna get down here on the ground and start working on this pan right here, which is gonna be replaced by this pan right here. After fold coming out. 5, y'all. Drop it. All right. Get that. Shot time. Ready to drop here in a minute, so I better keep a hand on it. Okay, as you can see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I think I showed you earlier, there's a piece that is exposed right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put some protection on that. There it is. That's what came with it. That's how it came. This is the difference. This covering here takes care of everything. So that battery is actually right here on this bike. So anyway, we're gonna put the rubber bushings in there, and then we're gonna bolt up the new thing. We'll be back, y'all, in a minute. We're gonna get this knocked out. Then we gotta do brakes on this car. So stand by, see you in a minute. So as y'all can see, we done did brakes. We got into the car, got into all of that, and we was stumped over here. So I removed the heat shell like I wanted to do earlier, and I done changed clothes, and we still giving it a try. It's 8:52, and I've been up messing with this all day. So we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully we can get it lined up, get this part done. So Here we go. Hey, we got it, man. All right, here we are at 9:31 in the evening, and son just left. We did his front brakes, front rotors, back brakes. So today we got the panniers on. We got the kickstand guard or whatever that is on. We got the motor guard on. Tomorrow we'll do the two axle pieces. There's one that goes in the front, one that goes in the back. It's for fall protection. It'll rest on those pegs, so it stops the bike from denting the tank and all that stuff there. What else I got over there? Oh, then right here, I'm gonna put the knee pads. The knee pads over there, so you got a knee pad for this side and that side. And then I'll take it for a ride and see how it feels with this load on it. This is my go get 'em Alaska and all that. And then pretty girl here, got her stretch bags over there. Get the CVO on there, but we do have the bars. We do have the fascia back. We're just waiting on the rims from PM. They're another month and a half to 2 months out on the rims, and then we're done. Both bikes are done. All we're gonna do is a whole bunch of riding. All right, catch you tomorrow morning. We'll finish this bike up. Talk to you later soon. So I'm back another day. It's in the evening again. Ran out of time last night, so we're gonna get back at it. I'm gonna complete 2 more things, and then that'll be a wrap for this video. So this is for the front axle. This is basically just fall protection. I'll unwrap it in a minute here and show you guys as I put it on. This is for the rear axle, and you'll see how that goes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put these pads on, clean the tank real good, and then they go up here, they're knee pads. Okay, so what we got here, I've already connected this one piece Loctite, put some Loctite on it. This is the guard for your fall protection, goes in the axles. Let me go ahead and put some Loctite. Then what'll happen, that's gonna screw into here. So we'll slide this into here. Grab our stopper here. Okay. Turn it here. Okay, put a little more on it. This here is enough to stop you from bending up some stuff. But anyway, so now we'll go to the back. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get started on the rear protection here. So we'll go ahead and put a little Loctite on it. We'll go ahead and get this stopper on. We'll tighten it all down once we get on the bike. Run it through the after I did that. So okay, that was pretty basic. Tighten up. All I did is put a wrench on each side, leverage. Went through it all, made sure they're all tight. They all have Loctite on them. We done wrapped it up. All we have now is to put the knee pads on there. Okay, here we go. This is the last thing. Already put the other side on. Clean the surface. Clean the surface up real good so that 3M will stick. I know it's probably better ways to do it. I'm just a rookie. I gotta make sure I get it right. So I just do a little piece to get it started. I know that's where I kind of want to be. Then I'll straighten the back out. Bring it down, thinking of where my knee need to go. Like I said, I know it's probably a better way, but I'm a rookie. I ain't did this before. It should just fall into place. Yep, it did. It's probably gonna be the most important part right here. Cause you know, every time I get on it, I'm gonna be brushing up against that. So we'll see what it do. It feels good, feels real spongy. So, this side looks, I mirrored it. Came down about the same far. To show you what we did, what the conclusion looked like. For tips, motivation, or just inspiration, subscribe to my channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Let's get prepared and ride.